Should people just expect that all holiday weekends to be checking out for this, or what's your thought about how often to do this?
Well, pretty much. You can count on us, unless something changes, you can pretty much count on us utilizing this tool during holiday periods going forward. Yeah.
And how much is it costing to enforce this? I mean, does it
basically
cost anything
nothing.
extra?
No, I mean, it's simply saying to the troopers who are out there on the road, if you encounter someone and have probable cause to believe that person is driving under the influence and that person refuses the breathalyzer test, go seek a search warrant. So there's no real cost involved. It's a matter of having that policy in place. And again, while I wish that we could just have that policy in place every day in every county across the state, for logistical reasons we really can't do that. So what we're trying to do is set it up so that we can have that in certain areas during holiday periods when arguably more people are out driving under the influence, going to parties and so on.
Do you think at all that it's invasive to be forcing someone to give their blood?
Well, is any search warrant invasive? I guess you could argue that, but under our law, there is a procedure to seek a search warrant. We have to persuade a judge that there is probable cause that a person is driving under the influence, and if that judge agrees, then we obtain a search warrant. If that judge does not feel that we have offered sufficient evidence or probable cause, then we don't get the search warrant.
The state just started enforcing that no refusal law, which was with DUIs. If you're arrested for a DUI and you refuse to, take a breathalyzer test or a blood test, they can go get a warrant from the court and force you to give your blood. It passed overwhelmingly in the Senate, but only narrowly in the House. Do you think there's maybe a search and seizure or civil liberties issue there?
I'm not an attorney or a constitutional scholar enough to know. But I do know this: I don't like drunk drivers on the road. You're driving around with a cocked gun, and nothing good could ever come from that. And so I agree with the policy. Obviously, I voted for it. I didn't know how it passed in the House, so I do agree with the policy, and it'll be up to some court or some ACLU attorney, I suppose, to decide whether this is an invasion of privacy.